Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's all about the bees. So there they are in the little beehive. And you see, these are honeybees. I'm not mistaken, yeah. It tells you all the duties of the work of the bees. So 0 to 4 days, cell cleaning, incubation, feeding larvae, 3 to 12. 4 will be power of stinging full development. First nursery fights around midday, that'll be 6 to 10. 6 to 15, that'll be entrance guardian debris clearance and functional bears bear duties, yep. And all the rest packing pollen, yep. Beginning of paying attention, yep, of waggle dance, that's the communication. See? Because they feed on the nectar on the plants, the pollen, yeah. And the buds, yeah. There you go. Not amazing, now. There's normally a bee thingy here anyway. A bee glass where you can see. But yeah, look at that. Asian hornet. Oh, the Asian hornet there. It's not from here, yeah. That's an Asian hornet. Oof, there again, the European hornet. Oh, not very good. Bad news. I just thought I'd let you know and share this with you. Isn't that cool? We normally have the little magnifying glass, but we don't. I don't know why. There they are, see, they're happy. There they are. Ah, there they go. See, isn't that cool? Stay tuned for more. They see us and they don't, but like that's how they see everything. They see everything like muddled up, but it's so cool of how you can actually see and test it for yourself. Who would have thought? Stay tuned for more facts.